Welcome to the Bold Publishing Book Process. We are excited to have you on board. Congratulations on making the decision to position yourself as an authority in your industry. This book is going to change the trajectory of your career, and we're excited for you. So, we're starting off with the onboarding forms. You should have received an email providing you access to 5 different onboarding forms. The purpose of these forms is to really help you think out strategically the purpose of your book. So we want to determine who your target audience is. Who is that individual for whom you're writing the book? What problem, what urgent problem are you looking to solve for that individual? What are the steps that can help that individual resolve their problem? So these are going to be the chapters of your book. We prefer 5 to 6 steps maximum. And what is the desired result? So you're trying to get this person from point A to point B. Point A, they are struggling, they are feeling the pain of their problem. Point B is where they are successful, they've overcome the problem. What does point B look like? What does success look like? These 5 forms that you fill out will help you map out all this important information before you ever write a word of the book. A lot of people will spend months writing their book only to find out they've written the wrong book. Either they've written a memoir that's all about their life but doesn't solve an urgent problem for their target audience, or they've written a book that is very dry, and while it might solve a problem, it doesn't include their personality or their life experiences. We make sure we've got this down to a science. We've done this for dozens and dozens of authors successfully, and we're looking forward to doing it for you. So go ahead and fill out those onboarding forms. Let us know along the way if you have any challenges with any of them. We are here to help. All right, once you filled out those forms, we're going to have an onboarding call. We'll hop on a call to basically kick the whole process off and to make sure that you have all your questions answered. We are here for your success, so anything that you need, absolutely let us know. We'll then schedule 3 one-hour interviews, and on these interviews, we will be having conversations. I will be interviewing you about your book. These conversations are going to be recorded, okay? So that in step 3, we will have an audio to transcript process. We're basically going to have some of my transcriptionists listen to the calls and type down every word we said. You don't have to write a word of your own book. Once you filled out those forms, that's going to be the last writing you have to do, okay? And even that's typing. But we will have those 3 hours of content transcribed. We'll then have my editors convert that transcript, the raw transcript, which isn't quite ready for consumption. We'll have that converted to book form. Now it will flow. Chapters, paragraphs, subheadings, all that good stuff. And then I'll put my editors on it. So I'll get my professional editing team to format and edit the first draft of the book. And by step 6, we will have a first draft, a completed first draft in your hands. It'll then be up to you at that point to review the content end to end and to determine, oh, hey, what content did I leave out? Oh, I meant to say this. I meant to add that. This is the phase where you do that. Or, oh, I'd really like to leave out this story, or I didn't want to mention that person's name. This is where you get to take out your red pen and make all the changes you want. Once the book is to your satisfaction, we go back to the editing team, and my professional editors will clean it up for you. They'll take care of grammatical errors, typographical errors, and any other misplaced words in the book. After step 7, we will have a book that is ready for prime time. But let's not forget the book cover. So step 8, we'll work on the book cover for you. A lot of my authors will go do a professional photo shoot, right? So they can get themselves looking their best, looking professional. And one of those pictures we will then select along with you to go on your cover. We'll also work on your book title, subtitle, and description, okay? At that point, we'll have the whole package ready for publishing. We will upload the book, or we'll show you how to upload the book to CreateSpace. CreateSpace is the publishing arm of Amazon.com. This is the best way, the most accessible and affordable way for self-publishing. So we will help you show you how to upload your book to CreateSpace, and then your book will be reviewed by Amazon. And as long as the cover matches the inside of the book, titles match, there's no inappropriate content in your book, within 48 hours or so typically, your book will be published live. You will then be a published author. Now, if you paid for the bestseller book launch as part of your package, this is when we really shine and go to work for you. Not only do we help you become a published author, as in step 11, which is huge because 99% of the other people, the other professionals in your industry will never publish that book, but we also help you to become a best-selling author on Amazon. And that status will stay with you for the rest of your life. You will be forever introduced on stage, in your online biographies, in publications as best-selling author. So we help you take care of that best-selling author book launch. And of course, we end the entire process with an exit interview, just to ensure that we met your expectations. Listen, we are here to help. This is going to be a transformative experience, and we are excited to be on your team. Anything you need, let us know. We're here for you. All right, go ahead, fill out those onboarding forms. Let's get to it, and let us know where we can help. Let's go. Congratulations. You're on the path to being a published author.